stay on. Giant.
Just saw it flash.
Yeah.
There we go. So I'm grabbing. Oh, again. Another toad. Dude, this might be one of the biggest bags I've ever had. It's definitely the biggest smallmouth bag day that I've ever had. Let's see. Is that the spot right over there?
Yep. Yep. They're kind of hard to see. That one's locked on, and I think it's big. So I don't know. I'll probably just throw in there too, just to get them like irritated. And if they were to bite mine, I would just got them.
There we go.
Awesome.
Oh, it came off.
Oh. Dang, that's a big one too. Oh, that's one.
Yeah. I think we stung out. I don't know if it'll rebite, but.
Here, let me get the net out. Under your feet there.
Nope.
We can hit it later.
Well.
Dang, that was a big one.
We know that the braid is.
Won't be a problem.
Yeah.
Dude, it's still on there. I mean. Dude, that's a big one too. God dang. That's what happened Thursday too. We lost like, I don't know, we lost probably like 5.
Probably didn't have this drag tight enough. There we go.
Did that thing click?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it like BFS or?
No, so I got this because there's a guy watching it. It looks like it throws light stuff real well. And it's the only casting reel I've seen that has a clicking drag system that's actually pretty adjustable. So I was like, yeah, I got to try one of these. Well,
Let's see if I can see it.
there we go. Rock bass.
Yep. I don't know if the smallmouth was on that bed.
Yeah, felt a little bit different than that last one whenever he was.
I mean, I saw the last one.
Well, that's the first landed fish on the Daiwa Zillion, so we'll get it dialed in here.
Yep.
Is that someone's camping setup over there?
Yeah, there's like someone's property now. Ooh, see that one? That's a dang big one. And it's on there too. It's
Like right there?
Yeah, right in the middle.
I think I see it.
Yeah.
Went over to it.
Ooh, it swam off.
I saw it. That was a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But if it doesn't leave fully, it's gonna. Once it comes back. Yeah, it comes back. And just when they.
There we go.
The big one.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Oh yeah. Petting that. Oh yeah, that's a nice one to start the day with.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
Jeez, that is a big one. Ooh, it came off.
Got one for the thumbnail to start.
Jeez.
Sweet. See one.
I'll get a picture if that's alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, this lake's already kind of blown up for me. I'll probably just come up there with you if you.
Yeah.
But face the sun.
Okay.
So just like go kind of back by the troll mark.
That's a nice one, Connor.
In 0.5. Sweet. Want to do an up and down too?
Yeah.
Nice.
And can I hand you my phone? I get a couple.
Yeah. Yeah, that should be good. Hopefully.
Sweet. All right. Thanks, girl. I wasn't recording. Just kidding. Just
I was
kidding.
about to say. Or no, that might have been the one we just fished.
Yeah, I think we were right by this thing.
See that one there?
Not yet. I have a big glare in that spot.
Should be able to now. That dark spot there.
Oh yeah, I was looking too far to the left.
Some of them are empty still, but I have to get us back a little bit.
I saw a fish come off. Oh, he just. There we go. Rock bass. What to say? I saw him come out after it when I wasn't even really close to it. Aggressive little guy. Well, back-to-back casts.
Uh-huh. Better be the last rock.
Something tells me it won't be.
Should be, hopefully. Alright, there's one on that bed too. It's kind of acting weird, so we're gonna have to stay like
That one right there.
Yeah, it's on the outside right now. And it's another good one. Perfect.
There we go.
Running right
Oh,
at
came
you.
off.
Dang, dude.
I don't think it had it good. But it's probably stung now. I don't know. I don't know if I ever had it good. Like right over there.
Yep. The fish is either on the left or the right.
I think I was just hung. I'll say this.
Uh-huh.
Straight braid, that is so sensitive. I feel every
bet.
rock and everything. What brand braid do you typically run?
I use those ones never come off though. I use Seagar
Okay.
or like Yozuri.
Okay. Yeah, I typically use Seaguard. This is some Super Slick V2. I was wanting to find some 15-pound, but all my local places were out.
Uh-huh.
And was getting closer and closer to strip date, so I was like, I'll just grab some 20-pound. And it's that Super Slick V2. I'll throw it on that right one and see if there's anything there. I can't tell from
I
here.
think I just saw that one swimming on the left. We might have got too close, but how do you power that on?
I've got an external battery pack that I got here. This is like 20 bucks on Amazon, and this will run it for hours.
What GoPro is that?
It's an 11,
Okay.
and I bought it. So I get a reimbursement from where I work for like hobby stuff
Uh-huh.
for a certain amount. And 2 days after I bought it, they announced the 12, and it was like the exact same price. I was like, dang it, but it's been fine.
I have the 7 and I don't for some reason it's not letting me like have it plugged in
Huh.
when it's recording. I don't know if it's just that GoPro or I'm doing something wrong, but right side. I think it's on the right side.
Okay. Oh, I think our Ned got it.
Might need a new crossbeam. Yep, it's on the right side. You're like right on it.
Just saw it flash.
Yeah.
There we go. So I'm grabbing. Oh, it came off.
Oh my god.
Came off.
Jordan.
That was a good one.
Oh my god, dude. This is not good. Dude, that was a giant.
Let's try that again. Do right on left. Bring it back the other way,
Dude,
but then
that
pull
was
it back on that other side. Yeah, that was a good one.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Seriously. Like I'm talking, watch him run with it. He's gonna do it, dude. Stay on. Giant. Keep it tight.
Yeah.
Keep it tight.
Keeping that rod tip down. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, that's a good one.
Let's
oh,
go.
Yeah. Don't you know?
If the lighting's good, it's different now. Hold it out a little bit. There we go. I'm doing straight up and down. Nice.
19 and a half. Alrighty. We got all the pictures we want?
Yeah. You use like those EWGs, right?
Yeah, that's pretty much all I throw a Ned rig on anymore.
Ooh. Kind of jerked it kind of aggressively.
Oh. Well, there's another one that we didn't get.
Now it might bite though. Yeah, it's still there. You see that one?
I see one on that bed right there. There's a bed right there I see one on. It's not a giant, but it's decent.
Yeah, there it is.
I think that's too far to the right. I mean left. I think I made some crap. Yeah. Oh, yep.
Got it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go to this one. I know this stretch has some good ones, so.
Sweet.
I just want to try to keep us off as far as I can.
Yeah.
I'll get us a little bit past it because I think the glare's going to be bad.
What if I throw that popper on his bed if he'd, with it being so shallow? I don't know.
I don't know, that might freak him out. Ooh, here we go.
He's got
It
it.
ate it. Keep them coming at you. Oh boy, he barely has it. Please stay on.
I'm gonna try to get that rod tip down so he won't jump. Boom. Another
Is
good
that
one.
7?
Something like that.
I think we're at 6 with them. Yeah. Jeez, that is a good one.
Getting into some good ones.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
Okay,
we'll go back down it because some of those ones should have ate. But.
Yeah. All right, so the key to throwing a thin wire hook on straight braid on a bait caster, let that drag off and let him eat it.
Oh, he actually has it good. I thought he had it bad. Want me to just get him hooked?
Sure.
Jeez, this one's tall. Weight-wise, this one, I don't know. It feels heavier than anything.
That's a nice one.
I know, they're
chunkier.
all tanks, dude.
Yeah. I'll swap you. Had your,
Yeah, I think I'll
had
just...
your bandaged thumb there, sorry.
That's from this.
Yeah.
It's from,
This is the heaviest one.
yeah, I was going to say, like, look how... Oh my gosh, I almost dropped your phone. Look how tall it is.
Yeah.
Hold it out a little bit. I don't know what it is with these iPhone cameras. I swear they make the fish look smaller. That's why I started
Yeah.
using my GoPro.
Yeah.
You can go straight up and down. They're like,
Yeah.
yeah.
I'm gonna drop him like that. That's a nice one.
Alright, should be good.
There he goes. There he goes. Yeah. I mean, yeah. He's pretty deep. I'm feeling right.
Got him?
Yep. Yes.
How come those ones never come off?
I know. They're choking it good.
Mm-hmm. I know, how come they're choking it so good?
I know. I wasn't 100% sure, but I was like, hook sets are free.
Yeah.
I'll let him have it.
Stay on.
Oh.
You stay on, baby.
You want to grab this rod?
Edit that out.
My legs. Good one.
Yeah, this one needs to stay on. Yeah, this is big. I would say just let him fight a little bit. Don't really get to drag. Pull him up. He's pretty much done.
That's a nice one.
We didn't catch him before, did we?
Ooh, that got me good.
Yeah, I'll get you. Here. God dang. I'd put that in the water.
Yeah?
Yeah, and then I'll get you a Band-Aid.
Alright.
That happened to me once and my whole pinky like swelled up. Band-Aid first or pictures first?
We can do pictures first. Swap you.
Yeah, we did not catch him. Oh, this lighting's better.
Her lips. Alright, is he good to go back?
Yep. Dude, it's gonna bite.
I wonder if we had
really agitating it.
I wonder if we had like a little like Kitech swim bait or something, if it would.
I have one.
I got a small one. Oh crap. They both went for it, Connor, and the small one grabbed it. This little rock bass,
Yeah.
While I appreciate all fish.
Dude, look how many rock bass are up there.
Yeah, I think it's getting agitated.
Just really hope it does not bite you. Oh my god. Dude. It's happening.
Bite soon, I'm gonna throw this popper over his bed. Small one. I saw like 4 rock bass come follow it out, and the smallmouth is still sitting right over there.
Alright, I'll keep it entertaining.
Wiggly guy. I'm gonna try this popper over his bed. I felt the bite and I was like, I'm 90% sure I can see the fish right there.
Uh-huh.
I was right. Let's put this one down over here.
We'll probably go back down a couple of these and then I don't know what to do, maybe go hit the other side.
There we go.
Dude, that is awesome.
That's why I'm coming. Look at it. Yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Stay down, stay down, stay down. Maybe the topwater bites on. Oh, stay down.
That is a good one. Oh, yes. Dude, that is... Dude.
That's another toad. Dude, this might be one of the biggest bags I've ever had. It's definitely the biggest smallmouth bag that I've ever had.
Dude, that was so sick. Dude. All of a sudden, I just hear the blow up. I'm like, you do not get hooked. Do not get hooked, please.
I've only got one good hand.
I'll get him. A guy got hooked with me. Dude, this one's heavy. Pick up the net. Pick up the net.
That is heavy. Let's put him on the scale.
Yeah. Dude, that was sick.
Yeah.
But it might go, it's gonna be like 380, I bet.
Yeah.
Let's see how close. What did I say, Jordan?
What is he? 380.
What did I say?
Yep. Dude, I saw him coming for that popper.
Here, I'll get you. Oh, never mind. We're good with the lighting.
Yeah.
I think.
Swap you.
So that would be a 4-pounder if it wasn't spawned out. I mean,
Yeah.
Feel his stomach. It's
Yeah.
hollow. I mean, mine first, then get yours. Yeah,
Gotcha.
might have.
I'm gonna get a picture of him next to this Tatula rod and grab a screenshot from that.
Yeah.
Sweet. Awesome.
Yeah, that fish is that has a 4+ pound frame.
Yeah. Some extras hollow.
Yeah.
All right.